Hey guys, today's video is on an amazing ESL game. This can be used for any age level and any time within your class. I can guarantee your students will love it. Let's go. Okay, so I call this game catch or no catch. And all you need for this game is something to throw. Okay, so today I'm going to show you with the basketball. If you're teaching younger kids, maybe use a foam dice or a smaller size ball. Okay, so as I said before, you can use this game as a warm-up, to review new vocab, or just to fill 5 minutes at the end of your class. Okay, so first we'll look at using the game for younger students. So use some basic words they've already learned. For example, if you're doing colours, we can do, say, go for blue. Tick means catch. Pink. X, no catch. Okay, so you have your students stand up in a line or in a circle and explain first. Blue is catch. Pink, no catch. Okay, so all you do, guys, throw the ball to the student, and as you throw the ball, say the word. Okay, so for example, if I say blue, catch. If I say pink, no catch. Okay, so go through 1 or 2 rounds with the students. If one kid gets it wrong, just ask them to go and sit down. So we can make the game a bit harder. So add in some different colours. Purple, you can say catch. Green, no catch. Okay, so the same as before. Repeat the game. Purple, catch. Green, oh, no catch. Sit down. Okay. So if you want to make this game slightly more difficult, you can use for teenagers, for adults, just any class with a slightly higher English level. So a good way to do this is have each word start with the same letter. And if you can, have a similar sound to the word. So first one, dinosaur, we'll say catch. Go for distance. Distance, no catch. So something like dinosaur, dining room. So we'll say dining room, no catch. And distance, we can go for dinner, okay? So you can choose any words that you want related to your class, or you can even have the students make up the words, give you the words, okay? So same again, dinosaur, catch. Distance, no catch. To make it more fun, instead of going one by one, you can go to this student, go to this student, give one student maybe 3, 4, 5 throws in a row. So play the game until you have one kid left, one student left, and they're the winner. So I hope you enjoyed this game, guys, and you can start using in all of your classes from now on. I'm sure it'll be a success. And as always, any future requests for videos of any kind, put in the comments below. Cheers, see you in the next video.